This is how to make money doing reviews online. Alright guys, in this quick video I want to share with you a cool way to make some money online, but an overlooked way to make money online, and that's by doing reviews. Anytime you got a product, basically any product, anywhere, there's usually reviews on it. You probably watched many review videos or read review articles in the past, and that help you actually decide whether you want to get something or not, right? And it's one of the easiest things you can do to get started with making money online. It's very newbie friendly to do so. So all you need to do is find a product that you either have or are willing to get, right? Try it out, whatever, and then make a video on it. And you might be thinking, well, I know that. But here's what you need to keep in mind. Some people don't like to be on camera, so that's why they don't do it. They know how to do it, but they don't want to be on camera. You can easily do some like a screenshot, get a couple images, and you can just rotate them almost like in a slide type thing, doing like as you're talking. You can easily get a I don't know if I got it. I can't pick it up. Oh, there you go. If I talked about this before, you can get a headset just like this, and you can literally talk into the mic, record yourself, and turn that into a video for those who don't like being on camera. You could even do those whiteboard videos, kind of like explainer videos if you want to. Me personally, or you could even get somebody else to do it. Get a friend to do it. A kid or whoever's, don't mind being on camera. You can get them to do the review, just using your words or whatever. Me personally, obviously, if you're watching my channel, I personally like to do the reviews because I think it's more authentic when it's coming from like a person to person instead of seeing like images and everything. But the next best is just doing like, record your voice. You can have multiple images, just kind of like in a rotation on your video, and just talk about the product. The key is also when you're doing your reviews, you want to make sure that you're being fair. There's no way, well, I don't want to say no way, but if there's a product, it has to be some sort of negative or downside, because 9 times out of 10, everything that's out there, there's some sort of negative. Maybe it's a big negative or a small negative, but it's still a negative, right? So don't be afraid to talk about that, because of the fact, if you're promoting it, obviously you probably want to, you're probably an affiliate of it, or got some sort of connection to it. So you're like, well, I don't want to make it look bad because no one's going to buy from it, right? That's not the case. People like honesty, right? People like to know the good and the bad. And usually that doesn't really stop the, the purchase process, because somebody texted me. If it's not that bad, people are going to look at the negative and say, oh yeah, that's not that bad. I'm still going to get it. And like, this is a great way to make affiliate sales, right? Another great point about doing reviews, it's basically limitless opportunities, because think about anything, you can do a review on it, from courses to clothes, workout equipment, because that's what I do on my fitness channel. I do reviews on different supplements and workout equipment and stuff like that. You name it, you could do it. I also recommend, if you don't own the product that you're reviewing, take some time to actually research it and compile, as much information as you can before you do a review, and let it be known, like, I don't have this product, but I really took the time to look this up, and this is what other people are saying about this product. And you still can, link it and, let people know if you want to check it out, you can. So it's that simple, guys. But if you can, try to just do a short video, and I would say 3 to 5 minute long review. If you can, try to be on camera. Also, you know, be sure to let it be known there's a link in the description to get the product. Like I said, try to be as honest as you can about the product. Alright, that'll really help you out. That's an easy way, newbie friendly way to start making money online. Oh, and the last thing, you might be thinking, well, where do I become an affiliate of these products? Blah 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 blah. There are tons of places you can be an affiliate of products, right? I'm trying to think. Commission Junction, ShareASale, Walmart, Amazon, eBay. A lot of people forget about eBay, which I think is cool. You could be affiliate of all those places. More in the digital products, ClickBank, JVZoo, all of these places you can find products to promote and do reviews and get traffic and all that good stuff. So check that out, guys. If you want more information on how to make money as an affiliate, check out ClickBank University. Link in the description. I'll teach you how to like all the ins and outs of making money on ClickBank. So check that out. And I got some other links in the description if you want to check out different opportunities. And that's it, guys. So start making some reviews. Another thing, this video long as hell, but you can even start doing reviews looking around your house now, stuff that you already got, and you can start doing reviews on it, because people are always looking for reviews before they buy stuff. All right. That's it. If you haven't done it yet, be sure to subscribe, comment, share, and I will see you in the next video. Peace. Hey, thanks for watching this video. If you want to learn how to make a full-time income online, join ClickBank University. Link in the description.